Now, the further away the light is from the object, the shadow will have a less opacity. It becomes more translucent, right? It loses its translucency until it deteriorates and becomes transparent. You can see right through it. So I find art to be intriguing. The ability to draw. How you could use darkness how you could just implement a single touch of light and the object pops. Light makes the object pop. Wherever the light is reflecting on, you have to figure out the level of opacity. Again, it has to do with the shades of white. You have to use the right amount of white to implement on that object to make that object pop, to give that three-dimensional illusion. It's an illusion. It's a fascinating illusion, and I got into art because I wanted to have a deeper understanding of some of the underlying mechanisms that govern this phenomenon. We know it's not a three-dimensional depiction, but it's creating an optical illusion. I wanted to understand the laws governing those factors, and things like shades. And going to look at the ocean, you would notice that the ocean, if you have to replicate the ocean in art, you have to sort of look at the ocean not from a three-dimensional perspective that I am using right here. Right? You have to cancel up, down, and you have